October breezed in with laughter and light, painting our days so warm and bright. Each heartbeat sang a melody true, of togetherness shining through and through. October at Vanasthali bloomed with colors, culture and celebration. From the rhythmic beats of Navratri Garba and the spirit of Dussehra, to the inspiring visit to the Air Force Station Hindon, every event added joy and learning to the month. The glow of Diwali, the togetherness of Grand Assembly and the triumph of inter-school competition made October truly unforgettable.
Tune in to all the highlights and happiness only on the Rundown Times, your go-to news where every moment connects us.
This October, Vanasthali Public School celebrated Navratri with great enthusiasm, bringing the campus alive with Garba and Dandiya performances. Students dressed in with traditional, colorful attire and danced gracefully to lively folk songs, while engaging in fun interactive activities that encouraged everyone to participate. This event beautifully showcased India's rich culture, spreading joy, positivity and the festive spirit of togetherness.
Dussehra was celebrated with a spectacular Ram Leela performance by our students. Vibrant costumes, expressive acting and lively song brought the epic tale to reality, while the students were engaged in distinct activities that added fun and learning to the celebration. The event highlighted the victory of good over the evil, filling the campus with joy and inspiration. Now, next up we bring you the highlights of Grand Assembly.
This October, Vanasthali Public School celebrated the festival of Diwali with a grand and vibrant assembly. The celebration commenced with a soulful song, followed by a motivating address by our principal. A compelling Nukkad Natak spread the message of celebrating a clean and a pollution-free Diwali. The audience was then treated to a lively dance performance that captured the festive spirit. The event concluded with prayers, aarti and a warm Diwali greeting to all. Now we bring you the highlights of a speaking skills
event that was held within our school camp.
Our school recently hosted a speaking skills event to enhance the public speaking abilities of our students. The young children confidently spoke on the topic clothes we wear, sharing their ideas on different clothing for seasons and occasions. The event helped to improve the vocabulary, pronunciation and confidence while making learning more fun and meaningful.
Our students embarked on an educational and thrilling visit to Hindon Air Force Station, experiencing the excitement and discipline of the Indian Air Force up close. The day began with a grand parade where the students observed the precise drills and ceremonial parade of the armed force, leaving them thrilled by the coordination and dedication on display. Then they explored various weapons and aircraft displays, gaining insight into the technology and the equipment that safeguard the nation. The highlight of the visit was a spectacular aerobatic display by the fighter jets, performing breathtaking sights across the sky. The national anthem was played at the conclusion of the event. The visit ended on a delightful note with refreshments, leaving the students inspired and full of patriotic memories. As a part of the CBSE Art Integrated Learning Initiative, Vanasthali Public School organized a Social Studies Fest on the theme of Arunachal Pradesh. The event celebrated the state's rich culture, heritage through the displays of artifacts, traditional delicacies, musical performance and the iconic bamboo dance. Students dressed in the ethnic attire also highlighted the deep-rooted influence of Buddhism in the region.
Our school recently hosted Biz and Mark, a two-day event of creativity, innovation and entrepreneurship. Day 1 featured the AD Mat show and a thought-provoking Nukkad Natak by class 11 students highlighting consumer awareness. Day 2, the Commerce Carnival, brought entrepreneurial spirit to life with class 12 students setting up exciting stalls from handmade crafts to delicious treats and fun games. The event truly showcased the marketing flair and business brilliance of young Vanasthalians. Now let's quickly have a glance to our excursion highlights.
This month, students of classes 6 to 12 experienced nature at its finest during their 5-day excursion to Dalhousie and Khajial. The journey was filled with laughter, learning and countless countless moments of joy. Students explored the misty valleys and pine-covered hills of Dalhousie, admired the breathtaking views of Khajial, and enjoyed the exciting group activities that strengthened their bond.
Evenings were made memorable with lively bonfires, music, delicious meals, creating a blend of adventure and relaxation. The trip not only offered a relaxing break from the regular routine, but also gives students a chance to appreciate nature's beauty and learn beyond classroom. It was truly a trip to remember. Now let's recall and revisit our inter-school triumphs. Courteous congratulations to Akshat Singh of class 9th D. The young contestant delivered an inspiring speech on the topic resilience, the power to begin again stronger, and emerged first in the inter-school eloquence competition held at the Cambridge School, bringing pride to the school. Now let's take a proud glance back at the triumphs of our inter-house competition.
The campus came live with colors during the inter-house Rangoli competition. Emerald House claimed the topmost spot, followed by Sapphire and Topaz houses. Heartiest congratulations to all showcasing such artistic flair. This is Swasi Dobriyal with Akshat Kumar signing off from the Rundown Times. We will be back soon with more buzz, fun and school highlights. Until then, stay bright, stay positive and stay tuned.
Thank you.